Oh shit. Got him this
Where is it? Okay, got it.
Yeah, you got it.
De bas was one.
Thanks.
Heel goed.
Jump gekraakt.
Yes,
First
thank you.
blading 2.
Getting out.
Shin's got it.
Inferno blade, easy enough.
Okay,
So,
Bash
okay.
gets the next one.
Arth on the boss.
Bring it. Bash got it.
Good job.
Getting out.
Ruby, you next.
Okay, I'm ready to pick up the next one.
Okay, it's over, so I'm done with it.
Clear, it's yours.
Get away, everyone.
That's what she said.
Backing out.
Shin's got it.
This crystal is a...
Cool. Bash
Okay,
getting
cool.
it.
Off. Blade coming up.
Then David getting out of here.
Ruby, you next.
I'm picking up the next one.
Solar
Okay,
crystal.
so we're done.
Okay, where is it? There we go.
Crystal's yours.
Got
Soldier's crystal's yours. Arth on the boss.
You taking it, Bruce?
Yeah, he's got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, I'm giving you pain suppression. Go for it.
Yeah, do it because I'm out of cooldowns.
Yeah, you
Or
got
out
it.
of big ones anyway. Okay, getting out.
Yeah, I
Shin's
would
got it.
suggest doing that. Yes. sis. Bruce, you have a innovate. Clear, it's you.
Done.
Thank you.
Zircon 3.
Move. Move. Go. Move.
Sorry.
Bash got it. Got it.
Sorry about that.
8, 9, 10, 11. Get out of here.
Get out.
Ruby, you next.
Okay, I got the next shot.
I'll take it first, and Jason, you can take the new one.
Bruce will take the next, the new
I'll
one.
take the next one.
Arthur healing.
Okay.
I'm on the bus.
Oh, they got
Bloodlust or when?
Bloodlust. Yes, do it now.
Never your PI.
Please let me drop on that.
Crap.
Getting out.
I got him.
Shin's got it.
Arth on the boss, so this one's yours.
Move.
Got it.
Coming in. Bash. It's on Vash.
Got you, Vash.
Getting out.
Ruby, you next.
Fuck decimation blade.
Getting up the next one. Stay focused. I got this.
Clear, it's yours. I'm gonna try something.
I got a frenzied regen.
I don't think that thing means anything in this fight, but let's see.
Zircon 1 minute.
Yeah, we got this.
3%. Do it. Getting up.
Shin's got it.
Pew pew more.
That was easy.
Yeah,
Damn straight.
it's actually
That's
now
it,
late
guys.
time.
Kaboom!
Oh, ding on it.
Sure, I got to
Congrats.
79
Well done,
cents.
The
everyone.
rep is actually nice. It's actually 400 rep, not 200.
Mm.
Ooh!
Oh, come on,
Look
seriously?
at those booties.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, Bruce, they said on the forums you shouldn't do this with one tank if you're in 359 gear.